Hi everyone, thank you for your click. In this video, I'm taking you on a fast-paced, fun-filled adventure through Fort Worth and Dallas, Texas. And guess what? We are doing it all in just 2 days. Can you really see it all? Let's find out. I started my journey from Dallas Fort Worth Airport by renting a car. First, let's head for Fort Worth, a city packed with Western charm. Where do I stop the car first? Why not the legendary Fort Worth Stockyards? I think I parked the car where I'm not supposed to. It seems this part is a daily trade center of longhorns among the farmers. Longhorn cows are specifically called Texas Longhorn. They got such long and extended horn due to the natural selection and adaptation over centuries as a defense mechanism against predators like wolves and mountain lions. The Fort Worth Stockyard is a historic district that showcases Texas' rich cowboy and cattle driving heritage. The Fort Worth Stockyards began in the late 1800s as a major livestock hub along the Chisholm Trail. By 1890, it became one of the largest cattle markets in the U.S. The area thrived with railroads, meat-packing plants, and cowboy culture, shaping Fort Worth's identity as Cowtown. The Stockyards preserved the spirit of the Old West while blending it with modern entertainment, making it a must-visit spot in Fort Worth, Texas. Its brick streets, rustic charm, and a vibrant atmosphere make it a unique cultural destination. The Fort Worth Stockyard is the only place in the world that hosts the twice-daily cattle drive of Texas Longhorns through the streets. Each of the drives starts at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. It's just one trip without any return, so don't be late for the show.
Rather strange to know that there is...
Here is Cowtown Coliseum that offers rodeo shows. Cowtown Coliseum, built in 1908 in Fort Worth Stockyards, is the first indoor rodeo arena in the U.S. It hosts rodeos, concerts, and western events, preserving cowboy traditions. The horse bounces a lot. I hope they won't break their back. Though I enjoy this town filled with cows, I'm gonna eat beefsteak tonight. Sorry. I learned about John Wayne at high school, but I've never watched any of his movies yet. I should once I get home. Why don't I take a look at cowboy hats for souvenirs? There are so many kinds of those, but it's more pricey than I thought. Hat means a lot for Texas people, I guess. I don't see so many people who wear jeans though. Going down the street further, you will find Chisholm Trail and its station, and you will see several restaurants, cafes, and gift shops. A lot of trade was going on right here, delivering and shipping from this train station. We can spend time here like 3 hours or more, but weather is burning, so let's get back to the car and go to the next stop. Next up, no Texas trip is complete without a stop at Buc-ee's. Yes, it's just a gas station, but also so much more. Buc-ee's is a popular Texas-based travel center known for its massive size, clean restrooms, and the wide selection of snacks, barbecue, and branded merchandise. It's a must-spot destination for road trippers. The name came from the founder's nickname and his dog. You won't find Buc-ee's gas station in a herd of cities, but along the highways mostly. This looks so big, but this location is actually the smallest one in between Fort Worth and Dallas. I used the toilet, and yes, that was clean. After I Buc-ee'd, I drove to the herd of Fort Worth. Now, I parked the car to stop by Sundance Square, a vibrant spot with art walls along the restaurant street. It's so hot and humid in Fort Worth. How can they live here as though nothing ever happened? I saw a lot of children enjoying the water. Who gave me some splash fish? Thank you. I see a nice building. What kind of church is that? Let's check it out. Actually, it's a county courthouse. Just a short walk away is the Fort Worth Water Garden, an peaceful spot in the heart of the city. To wrap up the Fort Worth part of the trip, let's have a steak. So I came back to the Stockyards. There were so many choices along the street. I had dinner at H3 Ranch Steakhouse. H3 Ranch, located at the gate of Fort Worth Stockyards, is a live hickory wood grill steakhouse by Hunter Brothers. This is the first rodeo ride in my life. The steak here is wow, unreal. If you are a meat lover, don't skip a steakhouse in the Stockyard. This is it for the first day in Fort Worth. Good night. It's time to explore Dallas. It might rain today, so I should go to the outdoor destination first before it's too late. Fort Worth and Dallas are just 1 hour away from each other by car, and the airport is right in between these cities. Dallas is bigger than Fort Worth. They are ranked 3rd and 5th largest in the state. First stop is the charming Bishop Arts District. Bishop Arts District is a vibrant, walkable neighborhood in North Oak Cliff, Dallas. Centered around Bishop Avenue and Davis Street, it houses over 60 independent boutiques, galleries, cafes, and eateries. This area is not crowded and is a place to relax. I see many people are drawing the scenery. Are they students or local people? Yes, the town is colorful and artistic. If you want to spend some time in a quiet and modern-style environment with a cup of drink, this area is worth a visit. I took highways to come over here by crossing the Trinity River. It takes about 25 minutes from the heart of the city. On my way to that area, I found a nice spot to get a view of Dallas skyscraper too. I came back to the city of Dallas. Next, I visited one of the most historically significant places in the US, the 6th floor museum in the former Texas School Book Depository at Dealey Plaza, Dallas. While I was looking for parking, I was already driving on the South Houston Street and Elm Street, exactly the same way as the 35th president did before he got a tragedy. Near the museum, there is a big square monument for one of the youngest and most popular presidents in the US history. Why was he killed? There are still many conspiracy theories about that. I still remember watching a TV program showing the black and white video where the president being shot in an open car somewhere when I was a kid in Japan. At that time, I thought he was shot from the front side, but he was shot from the back actually. This museum offers a deep and moving look at the life and legacy of President John F. Kennedy, who was assassinated by a killer who shot him at the 6th floor of this building on November 22, 1963. Its main exhibit, John F. Kennedy and Memory of a Nation, fills the exact 6th floor space from which Lee Harvey Oswald allegedly fired a bullet at him. Today, this museum is one of the most visited sites in Texas. After learning the historical case, allow me to drive the same road again.
Interrupt this program to bring you a special bulletin from ABC Radio. Here is a special bulletin from Dallas, Texas. 3 shots were fired at President Kennedy's motorcade today in downtown Dallas, Texas.
In 2024, President Trump was so close to get shot during his speech in Pennsylvania. When does it stop? This is Perot Museum of Nature and Science, which is founded in honor of Ross Perot, who contributed to rescue the hostages in Iran in 1970s, as depicted in movie Argo. And of course, I had to finish the trip with some real Texas barbecue. I went to Eight BBQ, and let me tell you, it was worth every bite. Eight BBQ is a family-owned Texas smokehouse serving mesquite, cold-cooked brisket, ribs, sausage, pork chop, and more. Cafeteria-style pit service, hearty portion, bustling atmosphere, and consistent, no-frill flavor define its authentic Texas barbecue experience. This was good for the perfect end to a Texas tour of mine. Just be proud of the smoke you get on your shirt. So, can you see it all in 2 days? Well, I surely tried as much as I could, and while there's always more to explore, this trip gave me an amazing taste of both Fort Worth and Dallas. I hope this video gave you some ideas, inspiration, and maybe a few hidden gems to add to your own itinerary. If you enjoyed my tour, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What is your favorite Texas destination? Tell me. Thanks for watching and good luck with your future travels to Texas. See you soon!